Ladies and gentlemen, picture this. You wake up, stretch your arms, and instead of bumping into the wall like in your old apartment, you step out into a sunlit, open-concept tiny home that somehow manages to fit more functionality than a house 3 times its size. That's the Montecito Tiny House, a rolling dream built to make downsizing feel like an upgrade. It's got 3 bedrooms, a full-size kitchen, and even a fireplace. Yeah, you heard that right, a fireplace in a tiny home. That's like putting a jacuzzi in a smart car. But before we dive into all the clever design tricks that make this possible, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because let's be honest, you love cool homes, and I love not having to get a real job. Alright, let's talk specs. The Montecito sits on a triple-axle trailer, measuring 34 feet, 10.3 meters, long, 10 feet, 3 meters, wide, and 13.5 feet, 4.1 meters, high. The floor plan is pure genius. You get a ground floor bedroom, perfect for anyone who doesn't want to climb a ladder in the middle of the night, plus 2 lofts for extra sleeping space. That means you can fit a whole family without feeling like you're living in a game of human Tetris. Now, the kitchen. This is where the Montecito flexes hard. Not only do you get a full-size fridge, a vent hood, a big sink, and an L-shaped cooking area, but there's also a legit kitchen island. That's right, an island in a tiny home. This thing isn't just for chopping vegetables. It doubles as a dining table, workspace, and probably a place to drop all your mail until it becomes a problem. The bathroom is another win. It's got a large vanity with storage, a stand-up shower, and even a dedicated laundry nook with both a washer and dryer. But here's the kicker, the Montecito doesn't just cram all these features in, it makes them feel spacious. High ceilings, big windows, and an open floor plan create a bright, airy vibe that makes you forget you're in a house on wheels. And the price? The turnkey version starts at $126,500. For a fully loaded, ultra-functional home that can go anywhere, that's not too shabby. So, what's the verdict? If you're dreaming of a simpler, more flexible lifestyle but don't want to sacrifice comfort, the Montecito might just be the perfect fit.